Hey YouTube, it's Trinity and I'm back with another video, y'all. So, I don't even know where to start. So, y'all see my last video. I'm okay. I'm doing alright. Like, I've read a lot of comments, and like they really helped me. Like, I was trying to respond to all of them. If I didn't respond to all of them, then I'm gonna go look again. But yes, thank y'all so much for all the support. And I just love y'all so much because y'all did not have to comment. Y'all did not even try to help me. Like, that was so sweet of y'all. And I love y'all. But today, I will be doing a, what to put in your emergency kit for school. So if you in middle school, you in high school, you finna go to college, you need to have a little kit, and it needs to have everything in it, honey. It can't be like them little small things. No, a little bit big. This one is from Pink. I got this a while ago, and it's so cute, and it's like you have a lot of space. Like, so yeah, I got a whole list for y'all, honey, because I got y'all, period. The first thing y'all need in y'all kit is y'all need to make sure y'all got y'all AirPods, baby, because if you ain't trying to hear nothing, huh? If you got your headphones, honey, don't sleep on people with headphones still, baby. Ain't no wrong with them, they still get the work done. But yes, if you got your headphones, oh, they shouldn't say me. Leave me alone. I'm busy. Leave me alone. Thank you. And make sure y'all charge them headphones overnight. How y'all be charging y'all phones in middle of the night? Charge your AirPods too. Y'all just why you need to have more than one charger. So if you don't, go get another one right now. Right now. And second on the list is deodorant, baby. We can't go to school musty. We don't do that. We don't do that. We don't need nobody trying to come for us. Girl, you stink. Girl. Don't do that. But yes, either one works perfectly fine. They the same brand, I think. Yes, so don't forget no deodorant. And make sure you put some in the morning before you get to the school. And if you smell it a little, just re-up. Just re-up. It's good. It's good. It's good. Next on that list is some edge control. Girl, when I tell you my edges was always sweating out at school, like I was like, dang, I'm not even doing nothing. Like, why is my edges sweating out? I also have like a mini eco salad, so a lot of people say eco salad don't work on the edges, but I use both. So I don't know which one I use first. Which one do I be using first? I think I use this one first because it'll get the hair slick, and then I put this one first to like hold it down. So yes, get you some of any of your edge control that you use and pack it, or just go to the store and get you some more so you can have one for school and one for at the house. You know, so make sure you have this because our edges stay intact. Okay, y'all, what's the number one thing people be asking for at school? Gum. Girl, if y'all don't get y'all some gum, people, if somebody's talking to you and you just smell this, you need some gum. But one thing that I hate about having gum, like, gonna get somebody some gum and then they gonna tell everybody their mama, oh yeah, I got this from Trinity, oh yeah, I got this from her. And then you got a whole lot of people asking you for some gum. So if you get somebody some gum, tell somebody, okay, don't not tell nobody I got gum because it's gonna be gone. Like, So I remember at school, if we ask somebody for some gum, they gum to be gone quick like that. Next is lotion. I need to get a smaller lotion to just pack like in this bag because this is way too big. Girl, do not bring no big lotion like this. Do not bring no big lotion like this. But yes, make sure you get lotion because I be ending up ashy out of nowhere. Like, how am I ashy? Like, And it be people walking around ashy too. Like, how don't you see your legs? How don't you see your knees? They ashy. Put some lotion on. Yes, but y'all make sure y'all get some lotion for real. Yeah, this one I forgot to tell y'all. So y'all know how you bring your edge control and stuff. Make sure you bring your edge brush to just swoop on, or if you have like you wear your natural hair or something, you need to brush or something, make sure you bring a hairbrush too. So edge brush, edge comb, anything, and make sure you have your brush or just any brush, like, cause this is if I have weave in. Oh, let me brush them out. Like, this is if I have like weave in and stuff. And yeah, I'm gonna need a brush for that, period. So y'all know how we be on our stuff. Make sure you bring pads, or if you use tampons, bring tampons, like all of that, for real. You need them. Make sure you also bring extra underwear. So what if you have an accident or something and like you don't have anything to go to? Make sure you bring some extra underwear. You just roll it up and just stuff it in your bag. Nobody gotta know what it is. Nobody gotta know. Make sure you roll it up and just put it up, okay? And next, I bring mouthwash. So if you feel like your breath is not smelling up to par, you just bring some mouthwash. I was watching some other people's videos, and they had said bring toothbrushes, but like, where are you gonna brush your teeth? Cause like the school restroom, like, it just gives me like ew, like ugh, like I can't. And then brush your teeth with no, I can't do that. But if y'all want to bring y'all toothbrush, next thing to put in your little baggie is sanitizer. So y'all know, like, some school have germs and stuff, you be touching everything. Make sure you get you some sanitizer, everything. Like, after you use the restroom, wash your hands and then put sanitizer on. That's really good. And this one is from Bath and Body Works, and it smells so good. It's called Cactus Blossom. It's so cute and it smells so good. Next thing I would say is bring perfume, honey. You gotta smell good at all times. When somebody walk past you, they gotta be like, oh, she smells good. Thank you. Thank you. This one is my favorite one, but I don't know where the top is. It's Sweet Pea. It smells so good. Oh my gosh. Don't forget to bring your snacks, y'all, because that's one thing that I regret not bringing. Like, what was I thinking? Like, I did not bring no chips, no candy. Like, I would do it like sometimes, but like not all the time. Like, I was always starving and like I was just hungry. Y'all make sure y'all put some snacks or something. Make sure y'all go to the store, or cause my school, a lot of people was selling around the school. So if you know you're gonna be hungry and stuff, make sure you bring some cash. Make sure your cash app is available. All of that. So if you bring your money, make sure you hide it good, cause there's a lot of people that be stealing at school. That be going through people's bags and stuff. Yeah, make sure you hide it, baby, cause we don't need your money coming to miss. Y'all know how when I said when we get on our periods? Yes. So make sure y'all have some pain medicine, even if you're not on your period, or if you just have a little headache or something, because the school nurses, they don't help at all. They just give you an ice pack and be like, okay, you good, bye. Or they'll take your temperature and you'll just sit in the nurse for hours, just sitting there. No, get you some pain medicine, ibuprofen, Tylenol, BC, anything that helps you. Or if you on your period and you cramping real bad, I take Midol. My mama put me onto that and it works so good. Like, yes, but they pills is thick. Make sure you bring a water bottle, because if you're taking them pills, you're gonna need some water with you. So yeah, make sure you always get a bit. You can either have like a regular water bottle like this one, or you can have like I know them jugs. It's not really like a jug, but like it's just like a thing, and you just have your water in it. Yeah. So yeah. So pills, water bottle, anything like that. Next up is a phone charger. Girl, when I tell you my phone stayed dying at school. When I tell you my phone stayed dying at school, like girl, did I not charge my phone last night? Cause my phone battery be dying so quick when I'm at school. So make sure you have a long charger, because it be a lot of classrooms like they outlets be all across the room. Make sure you get a long one, or just bring any size, because it might be an outlet closer to you. So it really depends. It does be like long chargers at 5 and below, but they really don't last that long. My granny, she said every time her 5 below long charger goes out, she go up there and she get them a receipt, and then they give her another one, because they wrong for that. You not finna sell me this charger and it just go out like this. No, yeah, they gonna give you another one. So keep that in mind. Next, make sure you got your lip chap, baby. We don't need our lips being chapped, none of that. And make sure you have your lip gloss. So I don't know where my lip gloss is. Yes, make sure you have your lip gloss. I think, let me see. Oh, this one kind of minty. But yeah, so make sure you have your lip gloss and chapstick at all times. At all times. Because I love me some lip gloss. And y'all, do not be putting no lip gloss on them dry lips. No, you need something moisturizing your lips before you put on your lip gloss. Seriously. No if and buts about it. Okay? Y'all, no little bags is not finna cut it. Nope. Make sure you get your little big bag, because we got a lot of stuff, honey. Baby, keep you some wipes. Keep you some wipes. Keep you some wipes. Get you some wipes. Get you some wipes. Or if you like, if your nose a little runny, get you some tissue as well. Tissue and wipes. Yes, because I would say like wipes is so good. Like if you gotta use the restroom and stuff, and you know you gotta do what you gotta do, wipes is gonna be your best friend. Do you wipe a baby's butt with tissue? No, you don't. Keep you some wipes. Keep you some wipes. Next, honey, is get you some eyelash glue. Eyelash glue, y'all, cause baby, your eyelash might be lifting. You might need to just go re-up and put a little something right here and just glue it back down, and then you good. Like, I would say like bring more lashes just in case, but like they probably might be doing too much, because what can happen to your lashes at school? Like, they can't just disappear. They can't. Well, I feel like you'll know when they fall off though. So like extra lashes, don't bring them to school. I mean, if you can't even go to though, but I don't know. Cause then, I don't know. But yeah, make sure you keep you some glue. You know how we still kind of in COVID, and you know we finna go back in person school, all of that. So they might ask for some masks. So make sure you keep you some masks. And get you some little cheap ones, some extra little masks, just in case you forget some, or somebody needs one. You want to be generous. So yeah, mask. And last but not least, some bobby pins, just in case you need to pin something up, or you need like a little scrunchie or something. Hair ties, scrunchies. Yeah, make sure you keep them all times. Okay? Okay, y'all, so my camera died, of course. So hold on, let me charge this really quick. Hey y'all, so my nails broke, but I need to get them done this week, and I'm finna take these down. If y'all see my TikTok, girl, when I tell you I was strictly trying to take these down, just take one down, and girl, I just can't. Okay, but I'm getting off topic though. So the other thing that I was saying to bring is some teeth things. So if you have braces, or if you notice something is in your teeth, and you need like something to bring a little floss or something to get stuff out, that's definitely recommended. And the other thing I would say bring is, yes, so I saved the best for last. So if you into makeup and stuff and you need to just touch up your makeup, bring like your key things that you use. Like if you need to fix your eyebrows or little concealer, what else, foundation, just anything, just make sure you bring that, because we gotta be cute at all times. But yes, y'all, I love you guys so much, and that's the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope this video was helpful to you guys. Why is my lash lifting? This is what I'm talking about, you guys. And I hope this video was helpful to you guys. I love you. Bye.